my Budgie ate my homework. Budgerigar Parakeet t-shirt is the perfect way to show off your love for birds and humor. This quirky design features a playful Budgie, or Budgerigar parakeet, with the hilarious excuse, "My Budgie ate my homework." It's a great conversation starter for bird enthusiasts, students, or anyone who appreciates a good laugh. The shirt is made from 100% premium cotton, ensuring softness and comfort for all-day wear. Proudly made in the United States, this tee combines quality craftsmanship with a fun, unique design that stands out. Whether you're a pet owner, a teacher, or just someone who loves witty apparel, this shirt is a must-have addition to your wardrobe. Funny, my Budgie ate my homework. Budgerigar parakeet t-shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Boost your style with our funny Budgie ate my homework t-shirt. Perfect for bird lovers. Charming Budgerigar sweatshirt, perfect for pet lovers with a sense of humor. Meet my mischievous Budgie, the ultimate homework thief in this funny tank top. My Budgie ate my homework. Perfect tee for bird lovers with a sense of humor. My Budgie stole my homework. Adorable Budgerigar hoodie for bird lovers. Funny, my Budgie ate my homework. Budgerigar parakeet t-shirt is not just funny. It's also eco-friendly and durable. The 100% cotton material is breathable, making ideal for any season, while the US-based production ensures ethical manufacturing standards. The vibrant print won't fade easily, so your Budgie's mischievous antics will stay sharp wash after wash. Available in multiple sizes, this tee is perfect for gifting or treating yourself. Pair it with jeans for a casual look or layer it under a jacket for added style. With its clever design and high-quality fabric, this shirt is more than just apparel. It's a statement of humor and love for our feathered friends. Other product.